Good afternoon. This is call number 2021-65283 in the interest of Gustavo, Leodegario, Priscilla, and Alberto Flores. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the children.
Dolores and Flores, and I'm their mother.
All right, sir, your name and your relationship to the children.
My name is Gustavo Millan, and I'm their father.
And representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Luis Regla.
We have an original petition and a SAPSER and to establish parent-child relationship. What are we doing today, Mr. Regla?
Yes, Judge, we're approaching for this case to be referred to district court and for mediation by the Dispute Resolution Center.
For what reason?
The complexity of this case, some allegations have been brought up, a request for some outside party to be a witness to the case, and possession of a child that's going to be removed from this case due to negative DNA test. For all those issues, Judge, I request this case be referred to district and for the parties to attend mediation by the Dispute Resolution Center.
All right, then the case is transferred to the 309th District Court. The oral mediation is ordered. Anything further?
That's all, Judge. May they be excused?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, we're done for today. Mr. Millan and Ms. Flores, you can disconnect now. You'll get some follow-up communication after court. But that's all for today. There's a couple of defaults, Judge, through the UIFSA that I'd like to approach on. I think Maria probably already pulled them for you.
Okay, yeah.
Which is the first in your stack?
I've got Bustamante.
Okay.
All right, this is call number 2020-78501 in the interest of Maverick Bustamante. This is a UIFSA matter. The non-custodial parent, Jose Albert Bustamante, is not present. He was personally served on October 23rd, 2021. At 10836 Spruce Drive South in LaPorte, Harris County, Texas. And he's not filed an answer. Is that correct?
That's correct, Judge.
Or made an appearance. So we'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Judge. And Judge, in this case, our system reflects that the essentially custodial parent is the St. Croix County Child Support Office. The issue is that the child is in foster care. And for that reason, we are proceeding with this case to get a default order. The father has income that's being reported to the state of Texas for this year. Gross income is roughly $2,104.73. There is only one child in this case. No other children that the father is obligated to support. The petition sent over by the other agencies requesting current child support and medical support. The child on Medicaid program through the foster care system. States requesting a guideline medical support of $95 a month beginning June 1st. Guideline child support of $349 per month based on the father's current income beginning June 1st. The other state requested retroactive child support only going back to April 1st, 2019. And all of that calculated for this year based on income report to the state, but in 2019, 2020, and 2021, all based on minimum wage. Guideline support would be $9,397. I propose the father be ordered to pay that at $97 a month beginning June 1st. And I ask the court to grant this default order.
All right,
Judge,
the order is approved as submitted. Thank you.
Judge, I just realized that the order on the caption printed out with absent parents named Stephanie Llewellyn. I'm going to delete that, Judge, from the order, and I can send it back to you to reprint it if you like.
Yes, please
Okay.
do. Okay.
I'm gonna do that. I'll do that right now. Otherwise, there's no other changes I'll make to the order, Judge.
All right, then I'll approve it with that one change. We've got the De La Rosa matter.
Okay, let me go to that one next. Okay, ready, Judge.
On De La Rosa, are you ready?
Yes, Judge.
It's cause number 2021-32705 in the interest of Juan Francisco De La Rosa. So if the matter, the father is not present. Ricardo De La Rosa Jr., he was personally served on September 17, 2021 at 1:49 p.m. at 7938 Sherman Street, Houston, Harris County, Texas, and he has not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct?
That's correct, Judge.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Judge. In this case, state's requesting the court grant this proposed default order in the UFSA statute. The father in this case, Ricardo De La Rosa Jr. The child in this case is Juan Francisco De La Rosa, born September 21st, 2020. We do not have proof of the father's income, so we are proposing we use minimum wage presumptions for support. There is only one child in this case. There are no other children. We were able to find that the father is obligated to support. Therefore, we're using guideline child support based on just one child being in the case. The state's requesting the court order Medicaid to continue the father to pay $56 a month beginning June 1st towards the cash medical support in this case for the Medicaid. That the father be ordered to pay $215 a month beginning June 1st in current child support. And there is no request for retroactive support. So just current child support and current medical based on minimum wage for one child. And I ask the court to grant this default order.
All right, the court will approve the order as submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Next one is the Flores matter.
Okay, it's Donnell McCoy and Lynette Flores. Is that the one you have?
Yes,
Okay. Ready, Judge.
this is called number 2020-56350 in the interest of Joshua Flores. This is a U.S. case. Father's not present. He was personally served on November 3rd, 2021 at 8:49 a.m. at 1500 Woody Road, apartment 52 in Houston, Harris County, Texas. He's not made an appearance or filed an answer. Is that correct, Mr. Regula?
Correct, Judge.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Judge. In this case, the father is Donnell McCoy. The child in this case is Joshua Linwood Flores. We're asking the court to establish this man as the father of Joshua Linwood Flores, a male born October 10th, 2007. In this case, we do not have proof of the father's income, so we are proposing to establish support based on minimum wage presumptions. There is only one child in this case, no other children that we found the father is obligated to support. Therefore, the guideline child support on minimum wage for just one child would be used. The state's requesting that we have the order state that Medicaid is in place and that the father be ordered to reimburse the state of Texas $56 a month beginning June 1st towards cash medical support, and that the father be ordered to pay current child support of $215 also beginning June 1st. There is no request for retroactive support, so none is included in this order. And I'm asking the court to grant this default order against the father.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.